The welding project using horseshoes can be both creative and functional, making them perfect for beginner and the experienced welder alike. One unique and easy project is crafting a horseshoe wine rack. Start by gathering a set of clean, unused, or the recycled horseshoes. Begin with the welding four horseshoes together in a square or a rectangle base to provide a stability. Next, create the vertical section by welding pair of horseshoes at an angle or a cradle to a wine bottle. These pair can be stacked vertically with these pair slightly offset to ensure the bottles remain secure and spaced evenly. For a visual appeal, you can add decorative elements such as small figures or the initials to the structures. Additionally, painting or polishing the horseshoe can be the fun with the wine rack or more finished professional look. This project not only serves a practical purpose but also adds a charming, beautiful touch to your home decor. The final product is a conversation piece that showcases your welding skill and creativity. The Horseshoe wine rack combines functionality with a unique aesthetic, making it a wonderful addition to any home and a fantastic way to repurpose horseshoes into something new and useful. Welding project using horseshoe can be both creative and functional, making them perfect for beginners and the experienced welder alike. One unique and easy project is crafting horseshoe wine rack. It's so easy, you can make it by your own. Welding horseshoe involves working with high flame and potential hazardous materials, so it's important to follow the safety measures to protect yourself. Here are some key safety tips. Welding helmet. Use a welding helmet with the appropriate shade to protect your eyes and face from the bright light and the UV radiations. The second one is glove. Wear heat resistant glove to protect your hand from heat and the sparks. A leather or inflame resistant apron can protect your body from hot metal and the sparks. Even the helmet wearing safety glasses can provide additionally eye protection. Working in a well ventilated area to avoid inhaling in fume and the gases. If you are indoor, use fan or the exhaust system to improve your air circulation. Inspect your welding equipment including the welding machine, cables, torch, and ensure they are good working condition and properly connected. Keep the work area clean and free from flammable materials such as paper, cloths, and the solvents. Have a fire extinguisher suitable for metal fire nearby. Be aware of location for the fire exit and ensure you have to fire watch in the place if it's necessary. Ensure you are trained in the welding techniques and understand how to use the equipment safely. Be conscious about working with electrical component and ensure all electrical connection are secure and avoid working in a wet condition. By following these measures, you can help to ensure safe welding experience when working on horseshoe as a beginner. Here's our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Rest of the video is here. Please watch my video completely. And if you want such type of content on daily basis, please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Here is our today's video. Thank you so much.